Hi guys, today we're going to be making buffalo chicken sandwiches. 1 boiled and shredded chicken breast, 2 tablespoons mayo, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good mix and adjust for taste. Spread the mix onto 2 slices of bread. This mixture makes 2 sandwiches. Two tablespoons spring onions, but just the greens. Add jalapeno slices. You can add as many as you like or as hot as you can handle. Sprinkle on some grated cheddar cheese. It says half a cup, but you can add as much as you want. Check the description box for all the other information, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Cook each side for 2 to 4 minutes. Serve it with the salad, but you know you're not going to serve it with salad, you're going to serve it with fries. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!